Hey guys, Ben here with Legendary Automotive. I'm here today with Rick and Juan from O'Reilly's right down the street from us. They've hooked us up really great on this vehicle, the giveaway car we're giving to the veteran this Sunday on July 4th. They've hooked us up with all the suspension components needed, brakes on the front and rear, all the best quality parts that we can get, everything for the tune-up, air filter, spark plugs, everything you can think of. Right here I've got Rick, and I'm just going to let you guys hear what they're doing for us and what they're giving to the veteran.
Yeah, what we wanted to do was make sure he had everything to get him going down the road. We got him a nice steering wheel cover, a sunshade, a center console, of course emergency roadside kit, and basically every clean product we got in wax to keep him going clean for a year. It's also a nice set of seat covers there.
Awesome, man. Hey, we really appreciate this. This is a great cause. We love that you guys helped us out on this. And we hope to see all you guys on Sunday, July 4th. Stuff's going to kick off right about 6 o'clock or so. So we'll see you guys then.